Okay, good morning everybody. So, doing my pre-recorded live here. Today I'm going to finish up with the rest of the steak I have before I have to toss it. So we're going to be doing some steak and eggs. So today about 0 degrees out with a negative 15 wind chill. So I figured this would be a good time to talk about severe weather and how it can affect your workouts. So obviously when it's this cold, the chances for injury increases. Your muscles take a little bit longer to warm up. Everything hurts. I'll give you an idea. With this temperature out here, any unexposed skin will go to frostbite within 10 to 15 minutes. So that means your fingers, if you don't have gloves on, it means your ears, tip of your nose, which is a pretty serious thing. So one thing you have to be really aware of when you're in this frigid weather is make sure that you're not outside too very long. Make sure you have extra cold winter clothes in your vehicle. So in my vehicle I have a very heavy coat. I have a vest. I have a very heavy hat. I have boots if I need to slip into them. And usually a blanket in case the car breaks down. I have to stay in the car. Otherwise, you're setting yourself up for possibly bad cold weather injuries. Now, granted, cell phones these days now make this a lot easier to call for help. Back when I was a kid, there was no calling for help. So going to the gym today, I know I'm going to need a longer period to warm up. So I'll do more sets at the lower reps. We get the body warmed up, we get the muscles warmed up, so that I can prevent injury. Today's going to be kind of an easier day. I think I'm just doing like arms, maybe some back and shoulders. I'll try to go my live then, so it should be around noon. Come back here. Central time. I had a good one going yesterday at about the time that I commented about how great the signal was. Everything went down, but it wasn't on our end. So I don't know if YouTube was having problems yesterday or just the internet's having problems. I know Prepper Nation wasn't able to get on today because of internet going down. I'm hoping it's not catchy. Alright, so got the bacon going. And the bacon is just to provide the grease for the steak and eggs. 3 pieces of bacon, probably going to be about 5-6 grams of protein. Probably going to have 4 eggs. So yesterday I got some organic brown eggs. I don't know how any of these eggs are not organic, but you know, they like to advertise it that way. We'll give the kitty some steak. See if she appreciates her or not. It's kind of funny. She'll just eat regular dry cat food. She's not one for table scraps. But she'll probably just play with it. She wants to come inside, obviously it's cold. And I will let her in here in a little bit. Just I don't want to run her too far in the house. I got mouse traps set, and she'll stick her nose in them. So I got the steaks all cut up. The mushrooms will be the last things I put in. because they the fastest. And of course, the steaks I don't really even need to cook. I just need to warm up. So, cut me up 2 mushrooms. Mushrooms got some vitamin K and some minerals that are much needed. Got my Fairlife milk. I've been, as the weather gets colder, I've been drinking more and more of that. It's really good calories. So you figure, 5 grams of protein here, probably got about another 10 here, there's 15. I'll have at least 24 in the eggs. So now I'm at 32. And then probably 13 to 20 there in the milk. So I'll be in my 50 grams. Is where I want to be for breakfast. Calorie wise, it'll be 400, 500, about 650 calories, 600 calories, 700 is where I want to be. So if you're in the Midwest or northern areas, be very careful because you have some severe cold out there. If you're in the southern states, you probably don't have to worry about it as much. But yes, when it's cold like this, I'll start the vehicle and leave it running for 10 minutes before I get into it. I'll make sure my gas is topped off more. So if I do have any issues, like a traffic jam or something, I don't freeze. People fall off perfectly straight roads. And so today's live, I'll be doing a lot of arm exercises, which help with my bench and a lot of shoulder and probably backs if I get into it. So with that, I don't have the live chat going. I'll just get this downloaded, and then if anybody has any questions later on this afternoon, I'll see you on my live chat. So remember that it'll be about 12 o'clock Central Time. Thank you.